22-inch deep wave hair for less than $150. Greetings to YouTube, I'm Jarva if you didn't know. Oh wait, no, that's not the intro. Greetings to YouTube and my lovely subscribers. I'm Jarva, and if you didn't know, at this point you need to get tuned in. A month ago I bought a wig, this wig from Cranberry hair on AliExpress, and I've made a video on how I installed it and everything, so if you want to go see that, go check it out. I'll probably leave it somewhere at the top or at the bottom in the description, I don't know. And I knew ever since I did that hair I wanted to do a review on it, but I wanted to be 1 month after I had the hair, because you know, straight out the box, of course the hair is gonna be good. So I waited and I waited, and it's been a little bit over a month. I do not know how to do a hair review, but I'm just gonna give you guys information that I have. Hopefully this will suffice. Definitely go check out my other videos, they'll entertain you. I do hair, I do all my hair by myself, so every hairstyle I do, I'll definitely be recording it. Without further ado, let's just get into it. Let's just get straight into it. First thing is, how does the wig fit? The wig fits pretty good, I would say. Kind of snug, like kind of snug. That's how I would describe it, kind of snug. It fit my head okay. There's like adjustable straps in there if you want to use them. I personally don't use them because I glue it down. If you wanted to, you could. Then we have shipping. Maybe. I live in Brooklyn, so I understand that China is the next door. But every time I buy hair from AliExpress, it takes 3 to 5 days to come. That's what I'm used to. So for this hair to take 10 whole days, it's crazy to me. It's crazy to me. I'm not sure if it's because of Corona, because I bought it during the time. Corona wasn't that serious in the US, but it was. I got this hair from China, so yeah, I don't know if that's the reason it took a little while, but it did. It took 10 days, so I'm not sure if this is their regular time or if it was just the Corona. For 10 days, it's just entirely too much. If you're trying to buy some hair and you want it ASAP, no Rocky, or you're trying to get it real quick, click out. Click out. Also, this hair is very, very, very affordable. 22-inch deep wave hair for less than $150. I almost couldn't believe it myself. I had to see for myself because I just couldn't believe this. And I got it on sale. I think it was $150, but I got it on sale for $131. So this hair is very affordable. If you're somebody who likes to switch out hairstyles constantly, this is definitely the wig for you. Understand that hair that's affordable will always have, most likely will always have some kind of flaw. So don't expect it to be a 10 out of 10. I truthfully give this hair like a 7 out of 10. I'm gonna order from them again, but it's not perfect. All right, let's talk about the length and the density. I got 22 inches, right? And this is where it's up to. I'm 5'6", so I think it's true to length. This look like 22, and it's 150 density. I'm gonna put a video right here so y'all can see how big the hair really gets. It got so big, like, wow. This is the main reason why this hair lost some points for me, because this is just outrageous. The shedding is crazy. You pull and grab the hair, you're guaranteed, oh, it just fell, but you're guaranteed to get some strands. And when you wash it and you brush it, not wash it and brush it, when you wash it and comb it out, sis, that's the amount of hair. I'm gonna leave a picture from the last time that I really brushed this hair out. The amount of hair that comes out of this thing is crazy. I don't know if that's just curly hair in general or if it's cranberry hair. If you think this wig is gonna last you 2 years or so, you make a big mistake. Stiff what?
For real, stiff what? Oh, no way. Stiff what? What?
This hair is never stiff. And I don't know if that's because I mainly wear it like wettish type. I don't know if it's because I mainly wear it like type wet. Well, nah, this hair is not stiff. I've worn it completely dry before. This hair is not stiff at all. At all. So you can put it in a ponytail, sis. It will move. Now, onto the lace. I don't know if this is just me. It might just be me because I'm not a professional. But when I bleach the lace, oh my god. Please just ignore how I put it on. I just put it on quick for the video. The lace did not take the bleach well at all. The knots are still very visible. I can't even say what lace because you can see it. Maybe somebody who's professional knows what I did wrong or anything like that. But that's just how it worked out for me. And the last thing is this hair is very, 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 very low maintenance. Very low maintenance. Only thing I do is use water. And if I wanted to keep the wet look, I put some mousse. So this is the end of the video. To answer the question, is cranberry hair worth it? I think so. It's affordable. And yes, it has some flaws, but don't we all? Don't we all? I'd buy it again. 10 out. Whoa. Whoa. Not 10 out of 10. 7 out of 10. I'm going to be buying from them again. And yeah, let me know if you feel like this review helped you in any way, because I was super nervous to do it. I didn't even know how to do this hair review. That's why I've been putting off the video. But I'm just going to put it out there with all the information that I know. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I appreciate every single one of you who watch my videos. Okay? Stay cute. I cannot see how I'm looking. So let me just get it. To get it, like, I don't want the light. So that is